ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाती हुई कुछ ही देर में यहां शानदार फ्लाई पास्ट।
And today we are showing you actually aerial shots taken specially to actually make this whole fly past become very real for you. And these are shots taken from Prachand, the first formation, which is in a short while from now will go past the saluting base. And these shots have been specially procured and are presented here so that not only do you get a real, or if you want to say surreal experience of the complete fly past, and to herald the beginning of the second innings, the Prachand formation led by our very own indigenously manufactured light combat helicopter flanked by the Apache and indigenous advanced light helicopter Mark IV in arrow formation led by Group Captain Deepak Vishnoi. The Apaches are from 125 Helicopter Squadron. Gladiators being captained by Group Captain Anand Kumar Yadav and Wing Commander Hashir Habib, Vayu Sena Medal, with Squadron Leader Ragi Ramachandran as the co-pilot. And following them were Wing Commander Rupendra Kumar Mishra and Wing Commander Sushil Khajuria in the indigenously designed and developed helicopters of the 116 helicopter unit known as the Tank Busters.
और प्रचंड फॉर्मेशन के बाद अगली फॉर्मेशन होगी तंगेल। ये दृश्य कैसा दिखता है, ये फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए खास तौर पर इनको रिकॉर्ड किया गया और इस समय आप इन्हें देख सकते हैं। और कुछ ही देर में यहां पर हेरिटेज फ्लाइट का डकोटा विमान और 2 डॉनियर विमानों के साथ विग फॉर्मेशन में यहां से गुजरेंगे। 1971 के भारत पाक युद्ध में वायुसेना की ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्लीट की शानदार भूमिका को